Hello and welcome. Did you ever find yourself searching for something online? How long did it take to get a response from your search? You search for something and you get a response back in no time. That's really something, isn't it? But did you ever think about how it all happens? In this video, I will guide you through the basics of how the internet works. Let's start at the beginning. You open your favorite app on your device and you're instantly connected to the world. This is all made possible because two devices connect and communicate via a wired or wireless connection, forming something called a network. You can connect multiple devices to this network, but this becomes very complicated very quickly, as each device needs to connect to every other device to communicate effectively. This problem is solved by something called a network switch that connects multiple devices and allows them to communicate with each other. The network switch can connect to other network switches, and now two networks can connect. These network switches then connect to more network switches until you have something called an interconnected network. This interconnected network has another name that you might be familiar with. It's called the internet. When we use websites or video streaming services on the internet, these are provided by computers called servers. Our devices are called clients. This is known as the client-server model. The internet connects the entire world. Have you ever had a video call with someone on another continent? That video data traveled through large undersea cables connecting the world's networks, and these cables can transfer huge volumes of data per second. There are a lot more technical details that go into making the internet possible, but this is the main idea. Hopefully, this gave you the big picture of how the internet works.